My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of Playoriginaloverlythefile.vip fake browser update alerts. These pop-ups by the site Playoriginaloverlythefile.vip indicate that people need to download and install certain ad-blocking extension for the Google Chrome browser. In reality, these pop-ups are not related to Google Chrome. They are fake alerts, and their mission is to force customers into downloading and installing unwanted extensions that may hijack a lot of crucial browser settings. So, in case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, you should immediately undertake the measures to get rid of these third-party extensions which were installed into the Google Chrome as a result of such fake software update alerts. I'm going to install these third-party extensions on purpose in order to let you know how to get rid of these extensions. So, to remove third-party extensions from Google Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. Now you should disable and remove any third-party extensions which you might find here. Finally, to make sure that the system is free of other hidden threats, I would strongly advise scanning with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application using this green button, and then start researching the system to detect and delete other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.